Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add home address to Garmin Drive 61. And to do this, you will need to click on Where To, this loop icon right there. Now select Go Home, and when you're doing it for the first time, you will need to enter your address. So you can select the city or a postcode wherever you live, and then find it manually. And now to set home location otherwise, there's this 3 lines in the top left corner of the screen, and here you can set home location even when you've previously done this and, I don't know, moved to another place. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.